Okay, so the beat goes on. Turns out I didn't lose all my headspace. I didn't lose all my crush. I cut it down to where they're down to probably only 5 pounds of pressure on the bolt handle. But I've increased this angle. Well, no. I was going to say this angle closely enough approximates the shoulder that I may have gained more area against which to bear with this cut. I can't honestly say that that opinion's valid, so I don't really know. But suffice it to say that it's worthy of the risk for me to go ahead and keep playing with this box. Find out whether or not this is going to work. I'm going to play with my speed a little bit here. I'm going to ramp it up a little, see if I can get a better result. Toying with the idea, I just hate to be spraying degreaser around the machine like that. But I might see if I have a troubleshooter nozzle, maybe I could just give that thing a pop each time. But we're going to see. Maybe what I just did, which is doing it in multiple passes, will work. I'm going to go ahead and try a few more here, and you're with me as we learn this little odyssey. We're going to see what happens when I jack the speed up and find out things might just go south really quick. I was at 360. I'm going to run up to 600, which is not danger speeds. If it goes wicky whack and pops out of there and hits me in the front tooth, I'm not going to lose parts over it. I don't even think I'll get a fat lip. So that little amount of mass at 600 RPMs, we're going to go try her again, see what happens here. And I'm going to change the reason I did this method. Jackie ran his in using the cross slide or the tool post, and I like that. I'm using an entirely... Did I go too far? Oh my. Well, the chance of this happening is going to be slim. Now I moved something. Forget that. I'm going to turn this stinking thing old school while I'm talking. I'm not going to worry about my settings. They're probably not repeatable anyway. But the way Jackie did it was whoop whoop, running the carriage, and I don't see that makes... The reason I did this is because I have a digital readout on the tailstock and a digital readout on the... Well, I actually have it on the carriage too, but I wanted the two of them. I wanted to have a cutting reading and a feeding reading. So I dial them into a 0 and I cut to a 0. That was my plan. Like most plans, they don't... this one didn't survive first contact. So we're modifying, and we're just going to go back and turn like by eye. See what happens. City, and I'm on that mandrel pretty good. I may be on that mandrel. Maybe I made the mandrel too big. Maybe I'm forcing too much. Huh. Doesn't feel greasy. Go in and turn these out conventionally because I don't know how much time I want to waste trying out a method that I quite obviously haven't thought through very well. That was, what can I say? I wasn't completely unsuccessful, I guess. It stopped and it fiddled and it farted and it got a cut all the way around. It removed everything. The shoulder's not very concentric either. The cut's not terrible. Get up where I can really see it here. Well, I like that 600. That's working better. As I said, I might just turn these and salvage them, but at this point I have to go back in and check my measurements with a bullet, make sure my math is good. So, off again.